Shasta County's health officer has already declared a public health crisis due to a physician shortage. Today, supervisors heard the results of a 6-month study by a healthcare consultant hired to address the situation. Consultant Chris Street released the results of his assessment to the board, saying he's been in talks with UC Davis Medical Center and Simpson University.
We're now talking about doing a satellite campus. We're also talking to Simpson University about a full medical school. So I think that conversation is important, but we should also seek federal funding to increase our medical residency training programs.
Certainly believe that Simpson University with an admirable WASC accreditation, most recently achieved in 8 years, has the fortitude and the foundation to forward this kind of a initiative, and I'm glad to serve.
Several public speakers say Shasta County needs immediate help, and increasing residency programs would be a quicker way to give more people health care faster.
That, to me, is what I would have liked to hear today, that this is what we are moving forward to get more physicians soon, immediately, as soon as possible.
The presence of a medical school doesn't guarantee an immediate increase in practicing physicians. It takes years for graduates to complete their education and training before they start practicing, and we have an immediate need right now.
I would have your current existing PIO do a media campaign to target residency programs and new residents to say, hey, look, we're designated as medically underserved. If you come to practice here, you could have some of your student loans possibly forgiven.
One of Street's recommendations is to create a coalition. It would include Reading City Council member Dr. Paul Danuka, who says it will work better and faster with a can-do attitude.
Let's not attack each other. I welcome enthusiasm as well as I welcome criticism and skepticism. But if you have a disagreement, challenge me. Let's not attack each other.
Supervisors voted 4-1 to continue working with Clerk and Registrar of Voters Clint Curtis to put together a demonstration on how his vote counting system would work. And one suggestion was to pursue using the Veterans Hall for processing ballots during the special election in November. Supervisors also put off taking any action on the Shasta County Sheriff's Alternative Custody Program, which is earmarked for a piece of property on East Side Road in Anderson, in Reading, south of Haven Humane. They were set to vote on a lease with the city for the 90-acre parcel, but the city isn't ready to move forward yet. The city and council will be discussing this tonight in closed session before the regular council meeting starts in a little while at 6. The Reading City Council will also consider amending city code to add an entertainment zone in downtown Reading, and they're considering financial assistance options for the group that manages events at the Civic Auditorium. That's Advanced Reading. It would include a possible grant or loan of $675,000 to Advanced Reading, deferring their $5,000 a month lease payments until 2026, and assigning 2 city council members to work with the group on a new contract.